Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya government to organize awareness program before introducing smart meters in the state. PDF president opposes Hindi language as compulsory subject in Meghalaya. Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya will organize protest rally on the 22nd of this month. And Shillong Sports Association urges state government to complete the construction of the first football ground at Polo in Shillong at the earliest. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tinsong today informed that the review meeting relating to the various power projects already signed with power companies in the past few years was held today. Speaking to the media, Tinsong also said that the state government will first organize the awareness program before introducing the smart meters in the state.
Before setting up or before taking any action as far as smart meters is concerned, we will surely have a massive campaign in each and every village through the Rambashno, through the competition. Then we will convince people and then people will understand. Because see, this smart meters is just like a phone only, a mobile. I told them it's a mobile, prepaid or postpaid. The smart meters will be like that, post or pre. So it's up to you. And because they even misunderstand, they thought that by having these smart meters, suppose now there is no light, no electricity in the village due to maybe a transformer failure or this that. They thought that smart meter, the bill will go as usual. I told them it will never do that. It will never happen like that. It's just like a phone. If you use it, it will be charged. If you don't use it, it will not be charged.
The president of People's Democratic Fund, Bantedor Lingdor, today said that he strongly disagrees with the intention of the government of India to make the Hindi language as a compulsory subject in the state. Lingdor said that he would oppose such move by the government.
Tenrai nagaliang ka jongi dismo ngidol na government nagaliang ka party ila elong jalan bagi la isim ya karai bai kani dan nando minum la ban pediak namar la da kajak na ka khtin mar kelajar ja kendreu tenrai ya kita bat ki bakwa ban keren hindi ta ta gre khtin da ngili chino chino rumah da nang khtin ga bang ba tambahan ringi ni kwa sha bai kani khtin ke jongi bakani ban im kini ban long beruspa lina takadaw bang persya ndai ke bang ikwa ani kalong baka government of India bahkan itu no ya tin juni berperang ko constitution ichidul nang bangin yo ban penan kam nomor tin juni de beruspa tata hakata ka jingi song jongi ka jelang bang ilong jelang jong si jong ka parti jongi PDF bang lai rai ban no bang ya ban persya bagi nim na ban priang ya ni ka ban penbor mong na ban penbor ino pi ban penbor ba pin ong ba ban kran dan tin tong.
The ad hoc teachers of Meghalaya under the banner of the Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya will organize a protest rally on the 22nd of this month. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, members of FASTM said the purpose of this rally is to pressurize the state government to upgrade the ad hoc school teachers to the deficit pattern.
Lasi benai sarkar kampat dan kata respons naka ikumta hakani ka arpu artarek jong u April ngin sa pelong biang yakat ni ka jingelang ka bahe bat ngin sa ya sunandu ta ka rally hakani ka jingelang ni raya wer ya baro kinohi kai ad hoc na baro ka jelam Meghalaya hi baro kawe hakabangi don kumba prahajar ngot kinohi kai ad hoc bangi laya weru ya ki kena school ki bari ki ex students baginya wan baginya sno kilang hakani ka jingelang jongi Kumta hakani kapor iwan bangin kapatru na kikmi kikpa ki parlok parojor kiba deiru kiba ya dan lang hakani ka jela Meghalaya ki baginya smutu ya kata kajing jenjal jung kino hikai bat baginya wan chakmat baginya sno kilang baginya support ya kata ka jing dawa jungi na kasorkar.
The Shillong Sports Association today urged the state government to complete the construction of the first football ground at Polo in Shillong at the earliest. Members of the association said the construction of the football ground should be completed as soon as possible so that they could start the various tournaments in this field.
Pi kawai ke Shillong Sports Association ke diga association ke barim tam ke kam tam ya football ni kalian football. Ila penroi kat ni football ke diga hak tam ban compare hari India bro kawai tu. Compare bat ke Calcutta ne bat ke Goa ne. Ni ila penmi ki players hak I League nanta hak ISL de ki pomon. Tenrei pesi menta pada tang Ramadan mangin le Cairo kampat la pan pendek. Yang idan ke jinge kum ka association ni ban survive final dia ngi la dam dan ke jinge rap apa. Nak liang sokar ban ngilak ban pendek kloy noi kamadan ngi kerpat kai moy kalian ibahe kalian sokar ba kin kamsim khia kan ni ka kam ngi da kerpat syai kata nomor ba PE hi ke jing roy ki football hang ni lalong ka wi popular games compare ba ki wi ki ja je la dem por khat ha ni sokar kata.
The civil defence personnel of Bangladesh Fire Service, who found the body of driver Lester Sen Pathau of Meghalaya from the waters of Bangladesh on the 17th of this month, have handed the body to the search and rescue team of Meghalaya Fire Service. The body was handed over to the authorities of Meghalaya after completing all the formalities between the Government of India and Bangladesh. The vehicle bearing number ML098175, which was driven by Pathau, was on its way from Tamabil, fell into Omngot River before reaching the Tauki Bridge in Meghalaya, while trying to give way to a BSF vehicle coming from the opposite direction. This mishap occurred on the 14th of this month. Lester Sen Pathau was one of the residents of Nongkleo under Mairang police station. The owner of the vehicle is Bojan Bophang, who hails from Pinusla area of Meghalaya.
We are very grateful to the Bangladesh police, to the BSF, to the BGP, and everyone present here who are involved in rescuing this mission, in bringing up this dead body and handing it over to the, since he belongs to India, since he is an Indian national, and the Bangladesh police along with other teams, they are handing it over to us, and we are grateful to them for their service and their work. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
ঠিক আছে তাহলে আমাদের ছবি সুন্দর হবে আমরা হইলে কি ক্লোজ ছবি তুলবো না আপনারা ওদের একটু বসতে কে তুলো
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.